Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, doing another video today. In today's video, yes, I'm going to review this screen protector for my Galaxy Note 9. But before I get into it, check this out. Okay, like I said earlier, everyone, I do have a screen protector for my Galaxy Note 9. This one is actually from IQ Shield. It's a liquid application, so it's pretty easy to put on. It will protect your display from scratches. Will it protect your Galaxy Note 9 display if you drop it? Probably not, but definitely if you're prone to scratch your phone because you put it in your purse, you carry it in your pocket with coins or keys and you forget it's in there, this screen protector will definitely protect it from scratches. Easy to go on, it's case friendly, they said. You can pick this up from Amazon. I will have the link in the description so that way if you want to pick it up. Nice little presentation from them. IQ Shield. Bam, if you want to pause the video you can read that. Same there too. Good little presentation, but let's get into this video. Let's see what you get in this box. Let's rip the box apart. So, you have your liquid application. We're going to come back to that. Now you get a bunch of stuff in here. You get your squeegee. You get your microfiber cloth. It tells you that it's case friendly. Bam. Also mask coverage. You get more papers, and then you get the screen protectors itself. Bam. So let's try to do this on camera too. First thing you always want to do, turn the phone off. Then you're going to open your cloth. So what you want to do now is spray down the phone just a little bit, because you do want to wipe it clean. Another thing too I forgot to mention is make sure your hands are clean. Make sure your desk is cleaned off, because you don't want to get dust anywhere on here. And then what you want to do, take one of your screen protectors. Bam, there you go. First thing is wet your fingers. Get your fingertips. This helps with having fingerprint on the screen protector. Also, you want to wet the top. Not much though. Then you take off the screen protector. Alright, once you have your screen protector off, you want to spray your phone and the screen protector. I won't soak it too much. Make sure it's not dripping. And then you just put it on there. The great thing about it, it will slide, hopefully. Alright, so what you also want to do, make sure you line it up with the cutouts. Alright, once you get it lined up with the cutouts, and you like the precision of the screen protector, then what you want to do is take your little squeegee, and what you do is hold down one side, squeegee the other. And I will squeeze it away from the cutouts, just in case. Always to the side. Then once the top, do the same thing. Now it might move on you when you're squeezing it. If it does, that's okay. Because you can make sure, so you want to make sure it's good. That looks pretty good to me. And then on the sides, you want to make sure you get the sides down without lifting the top up again. Once you get the sides down, go to the other side, do the same thing. Now it might come up, that's okay. If it does, you just let it dry a little bit. And you just make sure it stays down. Okay, so once you work the edges down, what you want and what they recommend doing is letting this cure overnight. Don't touch it. They recommend doing it about 8 or 9 o'clock at night. Give it about 12 to 24 hours before you put a case on it, before you start playing around with it. So what I usually do is I do it at nighttime, and when I wake up in the morning, I can put a case and everything else. Great thing about it is once you get the edges down, the bubbles will disappear. As you can tell, they're already doing it. But yeah, you just want to let it sit there, let it cure overnight, and it works wonders. Some people recommend taking a hair dryer to it. You can do that too, but they definitely don't mention that in the installation. Definitely, if you want to pick this up from IQ Shield, I will have the link in the description. It's from Amazon. It's a great screen protector if you're not looking to spend, you know, 50 bucks on a certain screen protector. This one does its job. It keeps the scratches from it. Again, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day now.